Hello and welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. Now, before we talk and move on to our challenge, we're going to talk a little bit about this special week. It is a special week here at Newlands. It's the week of being brave. And every day this week, we have a different focus. Here is what is to come. Week of being brave. Monday, intellectual bravery. Tuesday, empathetic bravery. Wednesday is Remembrance Day. Thursday, discipline bravery. And Friday, we will look at moral bravery. There are lots of activities that your teachers have planned for you this week, and I can't wait to see all the pictures of things that you have done, particularly around us being brave. Now, it's time for us to begin our challenge. As you know, on Friday, I told you what the challenge was, and the challenge is that we're going to learn how to sing "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" in sign language. And Miss Hulme has been so lovely, and she has recorded for us all of the different signs that we need to use in order to be able to sing the song in sign language. And the first bit, the chorus, is here today. So let's have a look at how we sing the first bit of "We Wish You a Merry Christmas."
So first verse, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So wish is from your neck, hand and thumb separate, and then from your neck together, wish. And merry and happy are the same sign, both palms and rub together, happy. Christmas is flat hand, dominant hand over the top, slide into a fist. Christmas. And then new, time for new. Your dominant hand comes up, new, and the Y for the year, Y. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, we have our challenge set. You need to practice this a little bit extra than you might have before because we want to sing it in unison. So have a good practice over the week, and next week we start our new bit of the challenge. Have a good week. See you on Friday.
We wish you a Merry